Okay, right, we got that sorted. So Cape Town. So this is the centre here in Cape Town, the Kite Worldwide mansion down at Sunset Beach. The fridge is always stocked. Didn't even have to look and I knew it was stocked. When you come back from a session, it's prime. And for me, I've been coming back here every year for the last 10 years. But Cape Town as a destination is an amazing, place to come and kite. It offers so many different conditions in terms of what you like to do on a kite, whether it's waves, kickers, freestyle, big air, you name it, Cape Town has it. And then you wrap that up in amazing urbanization and sort of access to good quality food and amazing lifestyle options that Cape Town as a city offers. Even on a no-win day in Cape Town, there's never a sort of lack of things to do. So first day in Cape Town, one of the best things to do on day one, and a great hangover because hike up Lion's Head with no water. Starts to get pretty steep at the top. It really gets steep here.
It's pretty freaking good, dude. It's all my new gear. I like to get my stuff delivered.
Dude, there's no end coming to this order, man.
Put it right on my palm.
It's a spot that sort of has it all. After your session, you can come through here into the outdoor shower, wash your wetsuits, wash your harnesses, and get ready for the cold beer. Every morning there's yoga here on this grass, and sort of activities like braais in the evenings, and just a general space to hang out. So it's a pretty good setup. There's, I think, 6 to 8 rooms, and then upstairs there's a swimming pool on the roof. And the best thing of all is we're only a short skate to the beach. I expect there's something you can probably edit out of that.